In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails in different languages in Gmail. This is a great skill to have, whether you're communicating with international colleagues, staying in touch with friends worldwide, or just brushing up on your language skills. With Gmail's user-friendly interface and built-in tools, this task becomes a breeze. Let's dive right into it and show you how you can easily compose emails in various languages. First off, you'll need to log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, navigate to the inbox where you'll typically see your list of emails. To begin writing your multilingual email, look towards the top left corner of the screen where you'll spot the red Compose button. Click on it, and a new message window will pop up on the bottom right corner of your screen. This window is where all the magic happens. Now, before you start typing, you'll want to make sure you're writing in the correct language. Look at the three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options icon, in the bottom right-hand corner of the Compose window. Clicking on this icon will open a small menu with various options for your email, including text direction and character encoding when applicable, which can be particularly useful if you're typing in languages that read from right to left, such as Arabic or Hebrew. Next, let's focus on setting the correct language for typing. Unfortunately, Gmail does not currently allow you to change the language direct from the Compose window itself. However, you can adjust your keyboard settings for different languages, which gets the job done. If you're using Windows, go to the language settings from the control panel or settings menu, depending on your version. On a Mac, you can find this option under Keyboard Preferences in the System Preferences menu. Once there, you can add the desired language to your keyboard input options. You are free to toggle between languages once you've set them up. A shortcut or an icon in your taskbar will generally help you switch between these keyboard languages, or, on some devices, your keyboard app might offer an option directly. With your keyboard all set, you're ready to start typing. Craft your message just as you would in your native language. And if you're unsure about certain translations, Gmail has got your back. Straight from your email body, you can access translation services. Highlight the text you want translated, right-click on it, and see if your browser offers a Translate option. This handy tool can confirm translations or offer alternatives. Once you've reviewed your message for accuracy, all that's left is to fill out the recipient's email address, add a subject line, and hit send. With just a few steps and a little setup, you're now able to communicate effectively across languages, making your emails welcoming and understandable to readers worldwide. And there you have it. Sending emails in different languages using Gmail is remarkably straightforward. With these few simple adjustments, you've opened up a world of communication opportunities.